Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and are you looking for a new herbal tea? So let me tell you about Boldo Tea. It's a great herbal supplement with only one ingredient, Boldo leaf, which is something that I absolutely love because there's no chemicals, no additives. There is literally just one ingredient in this thing. Another good thing about it is that it's fat-free and caffeine-free, so you can drink it at any time of the day without worrying. It has this unique bitter taste that is so great, and on top of that, it has a really nice green aroma. Thanks to the one ingredient Boldo leaf, this tea is great for detoxing and for improving your digestive system. So this is actually really great. I love to drink it in the nighttime, thanks to the fact that it's caffeine free, so I drink it without a worry. This tea is just so unique compared to all the other herbal teas that I have, and I think it's a great addition to anyone's daily routine. I love using this tea on a daily basis, and I would recommend it to anyone, but that's just my point of view.